everything. I think the biggest acknowledgement is from the audience. But when you get awarded for it by fans or by credible people, I think it is important.
दीपिका, हमें रेड कार्पेट में पता चला कि आपने लाइफ में अचीवमेंट अवार्ड रेखा को दिया, उस बारे में कैसी फीलिंग?
जो प्रियंका है from Screen, she had called me a couple of days ago and requested me to present the award to Rekha ji, and I felt very proud and I felt very happy because in the last 2 years when I have won the Best Actor award, Rekha ji ने मुझे present किया है, and I think it was a huge honor and I'm happy that I got the opportunity to do it. They hosted a segment? Oh, I have no idea. I don't know.
You know, having worked with Hollywood, how has your outlook towards acting changed now?
Nothing has changed, it's all the same.
Do we get to see you bringing Vin Diesel down here?
Hopefully, yes.
And what was your favorite subject in school? Toughest.
My favorite subject in school? My toughest subject, why are we talking about that? My toughest subject in school was math, but my most favorite subject in school was English and history. Bollywood music, what is the song that comes to mind? Suraj Hua Madham. I feel like that's the quintessential.
Deepika, we have a few questions from the ladies at the back.
What did she say?
Coffee with Karan में Coffee with Karan में Vin Diesel के साथ जाने वाली है.
I don't know. I have no idea. You should ask Karan because he decides the pairing. So you should ask him. कुछ विचार नहीं है. मैंने बस जैसे आपने शो देखा मैंने भी देखा बस.
One second.
एक बार ड्रामा आपने बाजीराव मस्तानी किया और अभी पद्मावती कर रहे थे. क्या आपके लिए इस तरह की मुश्किलें आ रही हैं जितना आसान है वो ट्रांजिशन बाजीराव मस्तानी से पद्मावती?
Actually, for me, the transition is XXX to Padmavati, a full action film with a very, very strong character going into Padmavati. So for me, that is the transition. It's not easy. Like when I finish now, I have to go and do night shoot. But it's fun. I love my work and I enjoy what I do.
How was it doing the Ghumar song? The Ghumar song that we have been hearing with so many Diyas and around. Was it like the essential Sanjay Leela Bhansali thing or something different this time around?
I would love to talk to you more about the film, but not at this point. Maybe in a few months from now, I can talk more.
Okay,
about
and one more thing. The stuff that Ranbir Kapoor says, would we ever